office in Birmingham.
Here we go! Here we go! Here we go!
Situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10
And of course my recom didn't go off. You wanna know why? It's freaking dead!
Until the first good reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the KIH54 listening area: Bibb, Blunt, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, St. Clair, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. This has been a test of the No Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. We now return to our normal programming.
Let's go!
Weather outlook for the county served by the National Weather Service office in Birmingham. For outlook through tonight, no hazardous weather.
Okay, do you want to know why the recom is not relaying? Look, it's freaking dead. The tuner is dead, of course. Oh well. Well, anyway, there you go. All my radios went off. Good riddance.